Get ready for movers.
Hello, Mary. Good evening. Hi, Mary. Good evening. Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. How are you today, Mary?
I'm good.
Wow, that's really nice, Mary. Have you eaten dinner yet?
No.
Not yet. Okay. So I want you to look at your book. Finally, we are done in Unit 5. So now is the time to start with Unit 6. It's all about my favorite book. Do you have a favorite book?
No.
Do you like reading books?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. What books do you like to read?
Read Doraemon.
Doraemon. That's really nice, Mary. Do you like reading the Vietnamese Doraemon or the English version of Doraemon?
Vietnamese.
Wow, that's nice. So that you can clearly understand the story. Great, Mary. So now, Mary, let's start with the new words. Look, listen, and repeat.
Doctor,
Doctor.
Very
Doctor.
good. Okay, so a doctor is someone who will help you when you are sick. If you're not feeling well, you go to the doctor and the doctor will have a checkup on you. Okay, so do you know anyone who is a doctor, Mary?
Nurse.
Oh, by the way, a nurse is different from a doctor. A doctor is how do I, the
Dentist.
doctor's job will check on you and they are the one who will tell you what medicine to take. The nurse job, they will the one to assist you when you are in the hospital. They will be the one to take care of you. For example, if you are staying in a hospital because you are so sick and you don't have any family members with you, the nurse will be the one to take care of you. They would tell you like, hey, Mary, take this medicine. The nurse will be the one to inject you, to uh to take care of you. Yeah, they are going to nurse you like that. Okay, but they're not going to recommend some medicine. It is the doctor's job who would prescribe a medicine for you when you're sick. Okay, now look, we have
nurse,
Nurse.
very good. So the doctor and the nurses work in the hospital. Okay, look.
train driver,
Train driver.
Okay, one more time. Train driver.
Train driver.
Very good. A train driver is someone who drives the train. Chaga chaga choo choo. Do you know how to drive the train?
No.
No, of course not, because you are still a kid. Okay, now look at this one. Listen and repeat.
pirate,
Pirate. Pirate.
One more time. Pirate.
Pirate.
Very good. A pirate looks very scary. They are going to get treasures from the island. Look at this one. The other hand of the pirate only has a hook. Then they only got one eye. Have you ever seen a pirate?
No.
Very good. So me, I've never seen a pirate too. I only see them from the movies and they look so scary. Okay, now look at this one.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Very good. What is a farmer, Mary?
Farmer is a job.
Yes, being a farmer is a kind of job that we do. Okay, so what is the job of the farmer?
In, uh, uh, in pick a vegetable.
That's right. They plant and pick up the vegetables from the field. Okay, so we have food because we have farmers. Without farmers, we will not have food like fruits and vegetables because who would plant? No one. So farmers are very important. Okay, now they also work in a farm.
Clown.
Now,
Clown.
yes. Very good. Okay, so this is a clown. Do you know Pennywise?
Yes.
Wow, are you scared of Pennywise?
No.
Wow, you're so brave. Pennywise is the clown who kidnapped the
I
kids.
scared picture.
Yes, that's right. And but you know, a real clown is someone who would do something to make us laugh. And a clown works in a circus. Have you ever been to a circus?
No.
No, that's all right, Mary. Okay, now look at this one. Listen and repeat.
Camera.
Camera.
Very good. So this is a camera. This is what we use when we take pictures. Say cheese, cheese, like that. Then, ting, that's camera. We have to click it. Okay, so we also have a camera on our phone, just like this one. If I'm going to take a picture of you, then I can just click the camera on my phone. Have you got a camera, Mary?
No.
Okay, who has a camera in your family?
My my mother, my sister.
Oh, very good. Do you like taking pictures?
No.
That's all right, Mary. Okay, now look, we have
Handbag.
That.
okay, handbag is for women or for girls. Okay, so it's called handbag because we just hold it with our hand like this. We don't put it on our back. So just like this one. Okay, so have you got a handbag, Mary?
No. I
All right.
guess
Oh, wow, nice. What color is your handbag?
is pink.
Oh, that is such a beautiful color. Okay, what's inside your handbag?
Is uh is my sticker.
Oh, stickers. Very good. Okay, that's nice, Mary. Have you got money in your handbag?
Uh yeah.
Wow, how much money do you have?
100.
100 Vietnamese dong, right?
Yeah.
Very good, Mary. Okay, what can you buy with your 100 Vietnamese dong?
Can buy a toy.
Wow, that's so great.
Robot.
Okay, now look, we have
A
ro
robot.
very good. Okay, a robot is a kind of toy that we play. Okay, boys like playing robots. They would say deet deet, then it will dance. But you know what? There are actually robots that are very useful in our house. Like a robot who can clean our house. We call it vacuum. Yeah, a vacuum is also a robot. But this robot is just a toy. Okay. Or we can also say like Alexa. Do you know Alexa?
No.
Okay, Alexa is a kind of a robot. It's like a virtual assistant. Our Alexa is a robot. If but you cannot see Alexa. You just have to talk to her. Like, Alexa, please turn on the aircon. Then Alexa would say, "Okay, got it. Turning on." Then today you have an aircon without turning it on with by yourself. Then you would say, "Hey, Alexa, it's so cold. Can you please turn it off?" Alexa would say, "Okay, got it." Then it will be turned off automatically by just talking to Alexa. You can also tell Alexa, like, "Hey, Alexa, turn on the microwave." And Alexa can do that one as long as the microwave is connected to Alexa and it has an internet. Okay, once you have an internet, once you have once it is plugged in an electricity, then it will work with Alexa. Alexa is a software that we have to install so that we can talk to her. Okay, so do you have an iPhone at home? Does your mom have an iPhone?
Yes.
Yes, that's the same thing to Siri. Do you know Siri?
Yes.
Yes, so sometimes you would talk to Siri like, "Hey Siri, go to YouTube. I want to watch Coco Melon." Then Siri would say, "Okay." Then if you try to talk like, "Hey Siri, where's my mom?" Siri would say, "I don't know where your mom is." Like that. So that's how Siri works. You just have to talk to her, to him or to her. Same thing with Alexa. All right, Mary?
Uh,
Very good. Okay, now look, we have here.
treasure,
treasure.
Very good. Treasure means a thing that is high in value. Okay, they are very expensive. What are examples of treasure? Gold, money, jewelry, like necklace, earrings, bracelet, watch. They are all treasure. Okay, but not every time, not always. I mean, it's not always where we can say that treasure are only money and gold or jewelry. We can also say like, "Oh, I treasure my family." That means you value them, you love them. All right, Mary?
All right.
Very good. So if I'm gonna ask you, what is your treasure, Mary?
My treasure is my necklace.
Wow, very good. Who gave you that necklace?
My mom.
Wow, that's so great. Are you still wearing it?
No.
Oh, why aren't you wearing your necklace?
And, um, um,
Because
because I um,
yeah.
because I wear necklace is dusty and um,
All right. Maybe you're scared of losing it, right?
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for sharing that one, Mary. Now look, we have here.
island,
Island
Very good. What is an island, Mary?
um, is top coconut tree.
That's correct. So an island is a land surrounded by an ocean. Okay. So look at the island. Look what it surrounds it with. It is surrounded with an ocean, which is the largest body of water in the world. So this is an island. So in an island, we can see many trees, rocks, waterfall, and many more like that. Okay. Now look, we
island,
have here.
city,
city. What is this, Mary? Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, now let's look at this one. We have here city.
City.
Very good. Okay, so a city is a place where there are many tall buildings and many people. It's a busy place. Okay, so do you live in a city, Mary?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Okay, so look at this one. We have,
Town.
How?
all right. So a town is a place that is not in the city, okay? Not in the countryside, but a bit closer to the city. Is that clear? So in the town, there are also houses. Okay, there are also some shops, but not a busy place to live in. Okay, now look, we have here,
Jungle.
Jungle.
very good. So what is jungle?
Jungle is the uh 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 animal live.
Okay, yes, this is the place where the animals live. That's the jungle. What are the animals that live in the jungle, Mary?
Um 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 mm, 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 blah, blah, blah. Mm, 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 mm.
Yes. Okay, the animals that live in the jungle are snakes. What else?
Um, and, um, um, um,
Okay, we also
and
have birds, lions, and many more.
Village.
Okay, say village.
village,
One more time, village.
village,
Oh, oh, say not village.
village,
Very good. Okay, so a village is a place that is not in the city. And in the village, there are houses closer to one another. It is very peaceful to live in a village. Okay, now look at the words that you learned. Let's see if you can complete the letters in here. Fill in the blank.
teacher,
Let me give you, uh-huh.
um, up, ba, up, um,
Yes, Mary?
so number 4,
Number 4. Okay, what's that?
Is mm, is mm,
What's number four, Mary? Or we can actually start with number one. Let me give you an example. So this one is doctor.
doctor.
What about number two? This is a
It's
place.
island. Iceland.
That's right. Okay, say island.
Island.
Nice. What about number three?
Village.
Very good. Okay, number four.
Mm, um, mm,
Okay, so we have here jungle. But you know what? This is wrong
jungle.
spelling. There should be N in here. Okay, between U and G. There's an N. What about number five, Mary? What's number five?
Nest.
Okay, very good. Okay, so number five is nurse. What about number six?
Mm, farmer.
That's right. Very good. So this is also wrong spelling. Farmer, farmer, like that. Perfect for this one, Mary. So I'm going to give you 5 hearts. One, two, three, four, five. Very good. So this time, Mary, let's reorder it. So number one, we have RBINGO. That is boring. What about number two?
Is village.
All right. Two is village. Okay, one more time. Village. Village.
Village. Village.
Nice. Okay. So what about number three?
Mm, Uh,
We have,
um, robot.
that's right. Okay. What about number four, Mary?
Pirate.
Very good. How about number five?
Um, mm, mm, uh,
We have difficult. It is indeed difficult. Okay. What about number six?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. Number six is handbag.
Handbag.
Okay, so for this one, Mary, you got one, two, and three. Then one bonus. So that's 4 out of 6. So that's gonna be 4 hearts. Very good, Mary. Okay, now, Mary, let's look at this one. Look and tell me the correct word. Okay, don't tell me the letter. Oh, look. So this is A, B, and C. Okay, so A, B, and C. So what is this, Mary?
It's B.
Wow, that's right, letter B. What about this one?
It's treasure.
That's right. One more time. Treasure. Treasure.
Treasure.
Great. Okay, what about this one? Look and match. All right. So we have city, island, and a village. Perfect for that one, Mary. Okay, another one, two, three, four, five hearts. Now let's look at this one, Mary. Wow, there are many people, places, and things in the picture. So I want you to tell me and say the number. I'll circle it instead. So number one is given. Where is the camera? Where is the camera?
Uh, um, is it's number one.
That's right. So what about the doctor? Where is the doctor? Can you circle it or write the number instead?
Here.
Where is it? Wow. Ah, what about in the picture? Where is the doctor in the picture? Can you circle the doctor here? All right. So that's correct. What about the town? Where is the town?
Mm,
Wow. Okay. What about the clown?
Oh, here, here, here,
Which, where?
here,
Okay, that's right. What about the island? Where is the island?
here, here, here.
Very good. Okay. What about the city?
Uh, uh, it's six.
All right. Oh, city, that's right. How about the
It's
machine?
six. Uh, I don't know much. It's machine. Here,
Okay, so number six is a city, number seven is a machine. Wow, that's
here,
right, Mary. What about the farmer?
mm, mm,
Yay, nurse.
uh, no, here,
All right. Okay, jungle.
here,
Very good. Pirate.
mm, here,
Nice. Okay, treasure.
treasure, here,
Great. Okay, village.
mm, here,
That's correct. Okay, train driver.
here, here, here,
Great. Two more, robot. Very good. Hook. Wow, well done for that one, Mary. That's perfect. So I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stars. 20 hearts. So you've got lots of hearts tonight. Thank you so much, Mary. I hope you learned something. Bye, Mary.